स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So this video is all about the preparation for TISSNET 2021. So friends, something new in this video. What about your resolution in new year? Everyone will keep one resolution to be focused on that in 2021, right? And if you talk about the 2020 year, then 2020 gives a memorable mark. Lot of ups and downs there, even in our academics, in our job, in our preparations, in everything. So forget about all these things. Make one great thing, whatever it may be, before the year ends. Give your career a better chance, a last chance on a last date. So those candidates who want to do something hatke with their academics, they can try for the TISSNET in 2021. So in case if you want to crack TISSNET 2021, then you can join the TISSNET pilot batch. So call and book your seat on 8828581455. So friend, grab this opportunity before the year end and start 2021 with only one motto. You wanna think something hatke, something out of the box. Think out of the box. There are huge opportunities in TISS. So friends, start 2021 with only one motto: to crack the TISSNET. So your motto should be: make a preparation net and track it. Target only TISSNET. Let's crack it. So gather all the ideas, all the strategies you have, all the strength, being strong, determinant. List out all these things. Even list out all the weakness of yours. Keep them aside. Focus on only one thing. That is your goal, either TISS or nothing. So something there in mind. Let it be come out. Gather all these things. Mix them, make your strength. And let's focus on the preparation for TISSNET. So what you have to do something different to enter into TISSNET. There is only one thing. You have to focus on your preparation. Unless and until you won't start the preparation, you will be far away from the TISS. So friends, kickstart your preparation from now onwards. Join the TISSNET pilot batch, where these all are the boosters, all included in the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In very first step, you will get 220 video lectures. So your overall base will be strong. All the fundamental concepts you will get, and you will be familiar with all the type of questions. Either they are easy to moderate to difficult levels. So pre-recorded ones will show you the path and the technique use, and the live class where you will get all your concepts clear. You will learn to the new technique use, how to decoding the questions. You will learn the new shortcut tricks. You will enhance your speed, and all your doubts will be cleared in the live classes. In step 3, you will get access for the ebooks, so you can make notes out of that. With respect to each topic, you will get 50 plus questions which are ranging from easy to difficult levels. You will have answer for each and every questions, and you will also receive the handouts for the practice purpose. Now step 4 is a very important step, and that is nothing but the mocks. So friends, it is very important to give the mocks before going to the actual exams, so that you will be familiar with the type of questions there and you can analyze yourself also. So you will get access for the topic test, which are ranging from easy to moderate to difficult, and you will also get access for the full length mock test. So you will receive 10 mock tests for the TISSNET and 5 for the TISSMAT. So once you given the mock test, you can analyze yourself at which particular stage on the preparation you are. Either you are on average or good or excellent or an outstanding. So through all these steps, you can analyze yourself. You will learn how to handle the time pressures. You will get the comparisons with the topper, their strategies and their plans, and you will get explanation for all of your questions. So overall 10,000 plus questions are solved throughout this process. So these are not only the steps, these are the boosters. You will get the guidance, mentorship and throughout the cognitive effect, which will boost your preparations to crack the TISSNET. So kickstart your preparation from now onwards. Join my online program. You will get access for all these stuffs. So call on 8828581455, or you can visit at manualaudio.com/MBA-entrance. So guys, link I also mentioned in the description. Kindly check it. So this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.